caracol. After her first failure, will she give up? Let's see it. To leap like a champion high jumper, she needs powerful legs. Her target, weaver bird nests 12 feet high. With retractable claws and strong muscles, climbing trees is easy for the caracol. This time, she seems to be studying well before jumping. The nest is an impenetrable fortress. The only way into the nest is from underneath, and our queen isn't giving up. She was waiting for the right time. The time has come. Every one of her claws is razor sharp, making her an aerial assassin. Finally, she succeeds.